Easy yoga movement of the day. Goddess pose, back cracker, twisting up the guts. So let's find ourselves in a horse stance, feet kind of wide, wider than your hips, really planting the feet down. Now take your palms right above the knee. As you exhale, you're going to crack your back and look over your right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, crack, look the other way. Look up to the left. Inhale, center. Again, do a couple more on each side. Exhale. Inhale. This posture tones our guts, realigns the spine, makes the back supple. So many benefits for this simple pose. Inhale, up, stand tall, feet together.